If you're in the market for an aftermarket head unit that has wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, you've come to the right video. My name is Tuan. I'm with R4T, and the kit we're going to be talking about today is from Stinger Off-Road. And this kit we're talking about is for a third gen Tacoma ranging from 2016 all the way up to 2023. And it's going to be full plug and play. It's going to look seamless when you're done with it. And of course, most importantly, it's going to have all the fancy technology like wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. So this here is the Horizon 10 from Stinger. And we're going to talk about my first impressions of it before we get into the details of the installation and everything else. So as you can see here, the screen is massive, way bigger than the factory one. And we actually got the fitment kit with it, which is this bezel that goes around it, which hugs all the curvatures of the actual bezel. And it's not just a floating screen. So though, if you are looking to purchase one, I would highly recommend the fitment kit just to make it look more factory. Now, first impressions. Screen is massive. You can see how clear it is. So the clarity of it versus the factory is a night and day difference. And then of course the CarPlay feature. So I have an iPhone. This here is probably the best feature of it. And the main reason why myself or anybody would get this is for that reason. And I like this too because it still has a regular knob volume. I hate that some of the other units have all touchscreen, so you're forced to use it, and it sucks because I like being able to easily adjust the volume on the fly. And then, of course, the features on the steering wheel also still works with the harness and all the modules that comes with this. Another thing that I really like is that outside of the CarPlay down here, bottom left corner, you can go to the main screen of the Stinger. And then right down here, you have the audio settings and you can fine tune the equalizer to exactly how you want it to sound. And Stinger has made it super easy for you to wire up new speakers, a subwoofer, or anything like that, and then tune it right in here. And then back here, you have so many more things. So Stinger is known for their head unit and then also their cameras. So in addition to the head unit, you can purchase their four-way camera and you can mount them pretty much anywhere. And then click right here, you'll be able to see it. This Tacoma, however, doesn't have all that right now, but you can see all the features that the Stinger offers here. You got the HD radio, the Sirius XM, Android Auto, phone calls, obviously, and then go back to your Apple CarPlay. Now let's talk about the installation of the Horizon 10. So when you get the unit itself, it'll come with the main head unit, and then if you get the fitment kit, it'll come with this bezel made for the third gen Tacoma. The installation, if you've never done any wiring before, it can be a little bit intimidating just because of all the harnesses and modules that you get, but their instructions are really good. The only thing that I would recommend or give you a tip on is when you're installing it, there's a module that has PAC on it. There's one connection that is interchangeable. So I would highly recommend when you're plugging that in, if the audio sounds really quiet, take that one that has the same connector and then just flip it to the other one. And then you'll get your full audio. And that's another thing with the Horizon 10 is that the output of the actual sound itself is louder than the head unit that comes factory on the third gen Tacoma. And then the fitment of this, you can see here, the lines is perfect. The lines up with the factory bezels down here. You can also run it with the Expedition Essentials dash mount that you see here, and it fits with that. You can still have one USB coming out of it, and then this monitor doesn't interfere at all, so you can still have your phone mount and anything else you decide to mount to it, like this Garmin Overlander. Another thing I want to mention with Stinger is that they have taken the time to label everything for you. So literally every wire has a label on it. So that way, if it reduces any kind of mess up you could potentially have. And this is very nice because their attention to detail is amazing. And their customer service is amazing. If you have any questions at all, They are very reputable, so you can just give them a call. They'll pick up. They can walk you through any questions you have or anything like that. Where a lot of the companies that you might see on Amazon, for example, have no US customer support at all. So you're kind of on your own. Where this one, they have a US company that's backing them up and customer service that's amazing. And of course, their product itself is amazing. So this is one of the products that we offer here at Rain for Tacos, and you can purchase it online if you're not local to Colorado. We can ship this out to you. And this is, I think, the only head unit brand that we offer on the website. So that should say a lot. So if you are in the market for an aftermarket head unit that can do CarPlay, that can have multiple cameras, that can do pretty much anything you want and have very high quality uh, video output and just quality in general, take a look at Stinger. We'll have a link in the description to this product here. And if you have any questions at all, you can call us or Stinger. We can definitely help you out. We are here in Denver, Colorado. So if you are in Colorado, feel free to swing on by and chat with us and about the head unit or anything else you may have Toyota related. But that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys in another video.